my second top that I've done, and the first one was scary. And what's the scariest part? This part right here, actually cutting the top. So I know there's what do you call it here? There's zippers, but I'm gonna try to cut it so I don't have to. But actually, the real way to do it is to go across. Remember though, you do not want to puncture underneath because that layer will still be there. But yeah, that's, yeah, this one's really cruddy. Does it have any zippers in it? Nah, I doubt it. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut this bad boy quickly. Not even gonna be bothering, you know, as fast as possible. I need my two hands, so. When I did this the first time, I guess I did it wrong. I should have ripped it off and did it this way. I could never figure out how to put these things back on. So, in other words, the top should have been over the car. And then these guys, you know what I guess you would do afterwards with this? You know, live and learn. Usually, like, you know, it's funny, I watch a TV show definitely a lot of times. Shows like The Wire, stuff like that. You know, classics. And it's always amazing how you see things that you didn't see the first, the second, the third, you know, I don't know. But yeah, I guess this is just one of this. And then you would take a rubber mallet and just tap those down. Yep, that's what I didn't do right the first time. The easy part is I actually still have those pieces. I never got rid of them. But these are actually a lot better. So look at what I'm using here. This just makes it easier. Come in here. There we go. Yeah, mine felt like a little bit more brittle, even though this is a 06. Same mileage too. But yeah, I made it a lot easier. You know what's funny? I never put them back in, but to be quite honest with you, never had an issue, so I don't know. Who knows? You know what I mean? It's always one of those things.